Hey guys, in today's video, I'm making basmati rice and coconut curry chickpea stew. After your mise en place, meaning your prep, place the rice in a bowl or wash 3 to 4 times to release any excess starch. Then set on side. In a medium pot, lightly saute your onion, garlic, and oil, add water and bring to your bowl. Carefully add your rice. Then turn the heat down to a simmer, cook for 15 to 20 minutes. While the rice is cooking, in another pot, saute the onion, carrots, eggplant, ginger, and garlic for 5 minutes over medium heat. Then add the curry seasoning, stir and cook for a few minutes. You can smell the curry already, smells so good. Then add coconut milk, tomato, and vegetable broth. You can smell the freshness of everything already. By the way, I use fresh coconut milk. Oh yeah. Okay, now let's take a look of the rice. Oh yeah, looks so good already. I love basmati rice. The rice is pretty much good, ready to go. You just give it a quick stir, cover, and let's finish. Now the rice is ready, and we're waiting on this too. Still, it's boiling. You can smell, the coconut, the curry. I use fresh coconut, by the way. Now we add the chickpea, stir for a little bit, and let's cook for another 10 minutes. Oh yes. Now we chop the spinach, just a rough chop, nothing too crazy. With our fresh herb we chopped earlier, the cilantro, the parsley, the green onion, jalapeños, and the lime juice, all of that we're gonna add it at the end. Fresh cilantro, lime. It's always better to use fresh herbs, Yes, you can use dry if you have some at home, but it's not the same really, it's not the same love. We add the fresh lime juice. We stir that. Just a quick stir. And then we're gonna add the spinach. So the rice is ready now. The stew is ready. It's about the time. It's about that time now. Time to eat. And always make sure you taste. Maybe my taste bud is different than yours. I'm sure. Maybe you need more salt or less salt. Maybe more spicy or less spices. So yeah, rice is perfectly cooked. Time to taste. Oh yeah, that's good. And now I'm making myself a plate. Look at that. And finish it with some fresh herbs. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe down below for more videos.